What's going on, guys? For today's video, I'm going to be doing a Half Evil unboxing. Now, this is a little bit of a lower key brand, so you might not be familiar, but I will leave their Instagram down below in the description because I feel like this brand is huge. I have been covering them for a while now. If you watch some of my older videos from a long time ago, I was actually trying to promote them a while back, and at the time, I was the only person on YouTube making unboxing videos about them. So it is awesome to see how much they have grown in such short time. So for today's video, I'm going to be mixing two different drops that they did into one unboxing, and that's what we have right here. I don't know which is which, so hopefully, we're gonna open it at random and see what's in there. So one of them is a collaboration, and then one of them is just a regular old t-shirt that they dropped. So what I like about them is every month or so they do a 333 t-shirt. Like that t-shirt ends up being $3.33 because, you know, Half Evil 333. That's what they do. I enjoy that they do that. That is cool that they try to make affordable streetwear, and I applaud them for that because that's cool to see that. So let's just get right into this. Enough talking. I talk way too much in all my videos, as you guys know. So it looks okay, good. As I was talking about that one, it looks like that is the first one that we got. So in the oh, I'm making a huge mess somehow. So if we open this up, it is a gray t-shirt. This will be cool for the collection considering I don't have any gray t-shirts. So this is a first for me. I can't even get this open. I don't really have too much gray in my collection, so this, you know, it's nice to branch out every once in a while. So here we got the gray t-shirt right here, and then they do have the 333 Half Evil located on the breast area right here. I did get this in a size large. I know back in the day they used to use Gildan, but as of now I have no idea what they use. But I just went with a large because most of the time I am a size large, so this will more than likely fit me. But yeah, like I was saying, this shirt's only $3.33, but you do have to pay shipping. Still, at the end of the day, this is a $3 t-shirt. So it's cool to see brands doing stuff like that, making it affordable to everybody, because there are people out there that want to get like a Supreme t-shirt, and that's like $60 shipped. So it is cool when brands do things like this and make things more affordable to the consumer. I enjoy when brands do that, so I do applaud Half Evil for that one. So yeah, this is like my 6th or 7th Half Evil t-shirt in the collection. I do like these ones that are $3. I use them for like under flannel shirts, you know, they look pretty cool. So yeah, this is like my 6th or 7th Half Evil t-shirt, and I'm hyped on that. A $3 t-shirt, you really can't complain. But next up, and this is a bit of a faster video, this I was super hyped on. Like, oh, I was so hyped I was able to get this. This one was not $3, so please do not mix up my words and think every single t-shirt from them is $3, because that is not the case. There was stickers in this drop, but it looks like I did not get any. That is set. Oh, I did get a sticker. Okay, cool. So this t-shirt I think was like $13. Let me verify that. Yeah, this t-shirt was $13. Then you pay the $6.66 shipping. Ends up being about $20 shipped for the t-shirt. So you can't even be mad about that. I did get 2 stickers. This one is sick. This will match the graphic, as you will see. And then this is just like the little skull thing. That is cool because you guys know I collect stickers like crazy. So I am hyped that I did get these. Now here's the t-shirt right here. I did get this in a size large, and this is for the personal for sure. It is a collaboration with Worldwide Youth. This shirt was too insane to pass up on. It does say Half Evil across it with these lightning bolts on it and like this retro gradient colorway. Like, I love this. I'm gonna be wearing this so much. I can't wait to get a picture in this too. Like, this is gonna be so sick. I love this t-shirt. It does feel like the exact same blanks that Half Evil uses, so I'm assuming that Half Evil manufactured these and like they kind of just slapped on the Worldwide Youth. It doesn't look like any other branding, just a logo across it, which I'm completely fine with. Like, this is so sick. This drop happened a while ago. I've been slacking. This has probably been sitting in my room for like a month waiting for me to unbox it, so I have been slacking. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from that drop. They had a bunch of different things dropping that day, but I ended up only going for the shirt because that was the only thing that I really wanted in my collection. So I am hyped that I got that. So yeah, like I was saying, Half Evil is a little bit of a lower key brand. It's not really as famous as like FTP and Palace and Supreme and all that stuff. So I do try to show love to smaller brands like that when I do enjoy the clothing that they are making. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop. Let me know if you guys are a big fan of Half Evil, and also make sure you follow them on Instagram along with myself. I will plug myself down there below. So in the description you will find my Instagram as well as their Instagram. Make sure you give us both a follow if you're not already. And if you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you'll be alerted anytime I upload a new video. I got some older Half Evil content on the channel as well if you want to go check that out. But before I go, please like and comment on this video because I'd love to hear what you guys have to say, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.